Once again, as I always like to say, if you ain't early, then
you late, bruh.
Bruh, can I just do it one time, please? For the one time? You late.
Yep.
See, I got you. Got you then, bro. But yeah, you late if you ain't got them early. And if you got them on time, you late. What the f? And this shoe right here, y'all, is set to be releasing on May 30th. I mean, we can just say a couple hours before June. Dang. So we out there in the future with them, y'all. And this one is one of the ones that I've been anticipating. So, let's talk about it. YouTube family. The face box is back again. What's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy here to hit y'all with an early review today, and this one is special. I'm excited for it, man, because this shoe is one of them shoes that I told y'all earlier in the year that I am anticipating, because I just thought it was dope from the images, but now I do finally have a pair in hand. I get to see the accurate colors of it, just the materials on the shoe. I get to see the shoe in hand and not through a picture, man. So I'm gonna give y'all my honest thoughts and opinions on this shoe that is set to be releasing in May. Pretty much the last day almost of May. I don't know if May has 31 days in it or not, but May 30th is the release date on these. Retail is $210. You got the quick info of the shoe. You seen a quick little B-roll clip of it. Y'all know what shoe I got, man. The Jordan 3 Rare Airs. One of the, I want to say 4 pairs that are releasing under the Rare Air lineup. We recently had the Jordan 1 Rare Airs, which I will be spinning the block on, y'all. I do have a video coming out for the Rare Air ones. I want to show you guys how it does look with the swoosh taking off. Not really taking off, but when you do wipe off that black material, you do get the red hit underneath it. So we will be getting into a video where I do show you guys that, and I'm gonna maybe title it "Did I Ruin Them?" or something like that. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, because Rare Air ones are a heater shoe in my opinion, and they're available right now, y'all, and they will soon hit outlets. So you'll be able to get that shoe for under retail if you just be patient. And I just want to put that video out there so I can, you know, give you guys some ideas on how a shoe such as that will look, man. But before we dive into it, man, if this is your first time stopping through, rocking out with your boy Jay and the fam, I would love for you to stick around, hit that subscribe button, join the family, y'all. Look, man, since the start of the year, man, I can't complain with the growth of the family, y'all. We have been growing. We are now under 7,000, y'all. We're like a little over 6,000 away from our goal to 200K, y'all, but that's not far at all, man. And I do gotta just give the kudos and all that to y'all, man, because if it wasn't for y'all, I mean, one of y'all, 2 of y'all, now 193 plus K of y'all, man, we couldn't be where we at right now, man. So I truly appreciate each and every one of y'all, and I tell y'all, your boy Jay lives in the comment section. So take this time out real quick, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Do you like the 4s when it comes to the Rare Airs, or do you like the 3s, which I do have right here, upside down? Michael Jordan needs to be facing this way, man. But yes, man, we got Rare Air 3s right here on deck. This is the topic at hand, man. So let's take a look at it, man. So starting with the box, we do get the Rare Air collection style box. Of course, you do get Michael Jordan's face on it, y'all. This is a box style from the 90s. Definitely one of my favorite recent looking boxes that have been popping out. But size tag on this one does read Air Jordan 3 Retro OG. Color blocking is black, chili red, neutral gray, y'all. So that is the color blocking. That is the size tag on this one. Like I said, y'all, this is a May, pretty much June release. It does have the inverted box. When you pop it open, you do get the Jumpman on the top of the lid. So pretty much everything is the invert to what it would be on a regular Jordan 4 box. It does have a white and green sticker in there, y'all, so make sure your pairs that you do get do have white and green stickers. And before we dive into it, y'all, these are not going for the high right now, y'all. They're actually going for the low. I seen on Go as low as like 220 before fees and stuff, man. So still for these, I'm just excited to see what they look like. But before I get into it, y'all, I gotta put y'all on game. I owe y'all this. I told you guys I will show you a way on how you can obtain shoes such as Jordan 1 Band High 85s, Kobe What-Thas, which recently released. A lot of hype shoes, even the recently released and in high demand Jordan 4 brick by bricks, all for retail. What? Yes. Bang! Let me give you the sauce and the secret to obtaining these types of shoes for retail and not a penny more, y'all. Secret sauce. A lot of y'all have been asking me about it, and guess what, y'all? I still have been rocking out with them. Your boy Jay has been a premium and elite member for I don't even know, it's been about a year and a half now. I've been an elite member, y'all. And if you guys are not familiar with them, y'all, it is a Discord, a group, y'all. It is like a family. It's like its own little world over there, y'all, where they have so many different things going on, y'all. One thing that I do want to just emphasize is that you can get shoes over there. They help you out, get sneakers such as the ones I shown for retail by giving you the early drops. They give you, of course, raffle links. And if you guys are familiar with things such as Soul Links and these other sites that might be on Twitter that a lot of people tell you guys to follow, J23 app, and they do post things over there, which is a good thing. But how do you think places like those get their info on sites dropping early shoes and dropping shoes here and there? Because a lot of the times, I don't know about y'all, whenever I do get that link, that product is sold out. But if you guys want to get ahead of the game and be the first ones to know when drops are happening, and it will save you tons of money in the long run, you guys might want to tap into Secret Sauce, y'all. They do have 3 different tiers. I would say, hey, if you were just kind of on edge, start off with the beginners tier, then work your way up. Once you get to the next level, and then the next level, you will achieve more, unlock things that will just give you more access to a lot more information, y'all. They do have things over there such as good bets for sports betting, like you name it, they have it. They got Pokemon cards over there now. Like, bruh, there is a lot going on over there at Secret Sauce. And if you guys, like I said, this is a sneaker channel, so I gotta focus on the shoes. If you want to get any upcoming shoes, y'all, look, I would say now is the best time to tap in with it, y'all. May is a huge month. When I say huge, y'all, that's an understatement. Bang! Remember, to start the month, we got Jordan 4s, y'all. These are what? The Forget Me Not. I forgot. We did an early look on these, but these are outside of it, y'all. This is just the mid-release of May, y'all. But outside of these, man, we got Jordan 1 UNCs, Jordan 12 Mellows. We even got Jordan 4 Bang Cements releasing, y'all. And outside of these, we do got the shoe of the day. Woo! The Jordan 3 Rare Airs, all which are releasing in May. Then after these, we got Great 5s, Ferrari 14s. It is going to be a ton of releases, y'all. And if you guys have not taken anything from 2025, Nike and Jordan brand has been making it tough for you to catch these releases, y'all. So if you want to get ahead of the game and tap in, bruh, take advantage of Secret Sauce. I do have a link down below that can get you right in. If you guys do not use the link down below, you will have to join the wait list because it's just that good, y'all. And the wait list right now is backed up for months. So if you guys go around the link, you might be waiting 3 or 4 months, 5 months before you can get into Secret Sauce. But with the link, with viewing this video, you have the access to go ahead and join right now, man. So tap in, take advantage. There's so many releases that's coming up. You don't want to miss any of them, y'all. Like I tell y'all, take advantage, y'all. Members that are elite, such as myself, you do get advantages of having 1 retail sneaker, a hype release per month. Bang! Which elite members were able to get these at retail, and this was back when they was going for the high, y'all, man. So there is a lot of perks over there, and trust me, you will not lose, you will only gain, man. So tap into Secret Sauce. Like I said, if you were just kind of on edge, you can start with the lower tier, and then trust me, you will work your way up because it is that beneficial, man. So if you guys want to get into just getting retail pairs, if you want to be a reseller, all that, they give you the drop on all that. And then they do have moderators over there that do talk you through the whole process, so you won't be lost over there, man. So tap in, y'all. Secret Sauce is still here for those who've been asking. Your boy Jay has been rocking out. I just have been just on the low with it, man. But yes, tap into Secret Sauce if you want to get retail pairs. But back to the shoes, like I was telling y'all, I just had to let y'all know about the game. I told y'all I'm gonna let y'all know how to get these shoes for retail, not a penny more, and I'm gonna give y'all the game whenever it comes to things such as, you know, the shoe, the clothing, just you know, this type of fashion world, you know what I'm saying? But popping back open the box, man, the paper on it, y'all. The paper, it does have this cement print type paper on the inside. When you move one sheet out the way, okay, I see that these do come individually wrapped, y'all. So this is one of them shoes that we're gonna have to take out and unwrap, the same thing that we have done with previous sneakers. Speaking of previous sneakers, the Jordan 4 Rare Airs were the same thing, man. And that's another shoe too. You know the Rare Airs 4s is gonna sell out, man. So y'all better take advantage of Secret Sauce before they do end that skip the line pass and you have to wait, man. So the first few members that get in, y'all have that good access. But yes, man, we do got them here individually wrapped up. Oh man, take a look at the back. Take a look at the back shots right there, man. So right there through the paper, you see what's going on. It does have the backwards Nike Air on the back. That's the first thing that we can see before we take them out. But here we do have them, y'all. The 2024 Jordan 3 Rare Airs. We gotta do this the right way, y'all. Bang! Nah, Jay, what's the verdict on the Rare Air Jordan 3s, man? Take a look at them right there. Good old size mine. I ain't gotta do no alterations or no second guessing because this is my size. These are fire, man. Yes, man, the 2025 Jordan 3 Rare Airs, man. I told y'all, bro, Jordan 3s are like my top 3 silhouettes, y'all, when it comes to Jordan brand. And they came through with these, bro. These are tough. These are tough, man. This is a clean Jordan 3. And I hope, y'all, we're over a month away from the release, y'all, and these are practically going for retail lowest ags. I hope that these go under retail, man. I want these to hit outlets, bro. I don't know if I'll double up. There's no need to double up on a shoe like this because I won't wear it that much and it's not that big of a collector's item to me, as I would say the Rare Air 4s are, because that shoe is just a more valuable shoe in my opinion. So I did double up on Rare Air 4s, but the 3s, I'm good with one pair. But man, just for all those out there, I want y'all to just get a dope shoe such as this for under retail, man. Like, this shoe definitely needs some respect put on it, y'all. This is clean, bruh. This is a clean Jordan 3. I don't care what you want to say, but it does have a all over leather upper on the top. It does have hits of suede or nubuck. You got 2 different color grays, man. Take a look at the toe cap. You got the dark smoke gray and that nubuck material, and then you got the light gray on the back half, man. They did the mismatch type of colors on the gray, and I know that right there is just a killer point for a lot of people. A lot of people do not like when they put suede where there was supposed to be elephant print and things like that, but it just works in my opinion, y'all. It just works. And then the icing on the cake. The icing on the cake, man. Take a look at the back shot, bruh. You do got the Nike Air on the back with the cream tab, and they did do it backwards. This is the first time I've ever seen them do something like this, y'all. When I first seen images, I thought that there was a defected pair, but this is how they will come. You will have the inverted or the reversed Nike Air and then the straight Nike Air on the back. No, your eyes ain't playing tricks, but you got that. It will come with the tab on both of them, y'all. So they will put the paper inserts on these. It also will come with the warning about the materials, the suede characteristics. Please be aware that the color contamination to the uppers and bottoms, blah, blah, blah. That's why they wrap them up, I guess, right? But these are super clean, man. And I told you guys in the past, I got a hat releasing for the Rare Airs. It will go perfect with these as well, man. So stay tuned for that. But what are your first thoughts on the Jordan 3 Rare Airs? Now, I gotta compare these to the 4s because when I seen images, I was like, wait, it's the same color blocking, but is the colors different, y'all? So let's check and see if the blues and the reds line up with the Rare Air 4s. Bang! So here we have the 4s, y'all, and yes, the pictures did show that there was a difference in the color, and in hand you can clearly see there is a difference in the hues of the blues as well as the reds. I mean, the reds, yeah, there's still a difference in the red as well, man. That's more of like an infrared right there on the back. That's more of that's an infrared as well, kinda to an extent, but it's more of a darker red, y'all. So the colors are different, but it is the same colors. You got blue, you got red, you got cream, but they're just different tones of it on both shoes. But I still, these 3s are up there, y'all. These 3s are up there so much to the point where I want to say that they're giving the Rare Air 4s a run for their money. Gotta give it to the Rare Air 4s. Don't get it twisted. The 4s are gonna win all day in my book, in y'all book, in whoever's book. But these 3s are a close second, in my opinion. very, very close second, y'all. Definitely both clean shoes. I'm a fan of this collection, y'all. I'm a fan of the Rare Air lineup. I like what they're doing with them. Both of them are gonna look fantastic with some cream laces, you know. And yeah, man, y'all comment down below. But we got this one releasing in May. I want to say that these are pushed back to me either July or August, you know what I'm saying? But clean shoes, y'all. And unlike the 4s, which does have the pull-off tab and stuff, y'all, this one just has a standard Jordan 3 look, but it does have the suede hits all throughout the tongue, y'all. You got some nice suede hits all throughout the tongue. Just clean, man. Also got some widow's peaks on the toe box area. These remind me of the Jordan 3 black cements that recently released as far as material. You got that same type of leather on them. Really, they recycled some black cements. The upper, they recycled those black cement 3s and just slapped them on this shoe, in my opinion, man. Manufacturer's date, let's see when these were manufactured. From October through January, y'all. So October of last year through January, pretty much a long month production on those, y'all. That's what, 3 months? Usually we're seeing 1 month productions nowadays, man. But these are solid, man. Comment down below, what are your first thoughts on the Jordan 3 Rare Airs, man? Like I said, y'all, we gotta throw these on feet ASAP. I gotta give y'all a nice good look at these. I love the color tone. Look at that midsole, the black, the blues, the cream. I think that is just a nice color blocking on this shoe, man. But comment down below, what are your first thoughts on these? And I know your answer, but what are we doing? We going Rare Air 4s, or are we going to 3s? And like I said, trust me when I say, I don't care about the price of these. I don't care about the price of these. When it comes to the looks, the Rare Air 3s are giving the Rare Air 4s a run for its money. That's on me, you know what I'm saying? But y'all let me know y'all thoughts. We don't get a hang tag with the 3s like we do get on the 4s, which I can pull out real quick and show y'all. You got the Nike Air hang tag on the 4s. We don't get any type of hang tag. However, we do get an extra set of laces, y'all. Yes, sir. So similar to the laces that came with the Jordan 1 Rare Airs, y'all. I told y'all it was like a two-tone. I never even pulled them out of the Rare Air 1s to kind of know which exact color this is, but it looked like it's like a white and a cream lace mixed together, y'all. So I don't know. It looks like it's the same exact style of lace that you got with the Jordan 1s, but that is the only extra laces that they come with. No reds, no blues, no creams. Well, this could be cream, so that's the only laces that they come with. But no extra features or anything, man. But yes, man, that is pretty much it. First look at the Jordan 3 Rare Air set to be releasing May 30th for a retail price of $210. Is this a cop or is it a pass, y'all? Like, I would say that these are probably gonna sit, man, because these release a week after the Jordan 4 white cements, and we know where everybody's money's gonna go. It's going towards those white cements, y'all. So these might just get left for the outlets, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not mad at that, y'all. I actually think that this is a great outlet pickup, you know what I'm saying? But I don't think that it's an outlet shoe, in my opinion, you know. But it's just so much releasing around it, and I feel like I just see these going to the outlets. But they fire, in my opinion, man. But y'all comment down below first thoughts of the Jordan 3 Rare Airs. I want to say that this might be one of the first ones on YouTube, man. So make sure y'all hit that thumbs up for your boy Jay. Leave a comment down below. You know I'm getting back to him. But one more shot at the back. No, your eyes ain't playing tricks again. One more shot at the side. Here they go. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Jordan 3 Rare Airs. Didn't show y'all the bottom. I think I did, but hey, there y'all go again. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Gonna get dirty fast. Who cares? But yeah, man, comment down below your thoughts and opinions. What would you change? What would you keep? Do you like, cop, pass, all that good stuff? I'll be back at y'all, man. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, because that's where you will see these on feet first. I will have these on feet soon, so make sure y'all tap in. Check out Secret Sauce, y'all, while you can, man. Skip the wait list. Get right in with the link I have down below in the description. Remember, if you guys want to take advantage, y'all, and you want to get your shoes for retail, y'all might want to take advantage of that, man. They give you the drop on so much valuable information, stock numbers, like you name it, y'all. But that is it, man. Your boy Jay is checking out Rare Air 3s. Y'all stay blessed, man. To the next one. More early looks, more on feets on the way, man. I'm gone. Peace.